Today I am going to show you how to resolve the Electrolux W555H washing machine flash parameter data issue. Once this appears, you will not be able to operate any program. The first step is to thoroughly inspect all wiring connection and the component. If not finding any issue here, it is necessary to reinstall the entire system using the Electrolux program. As you can see, I didn't find any other issue with the machine, so I start the reinstall the program. After programming, you have to press and hold the control button to reboot the machine to get the washing program.